You know, I've been saying for a while now that a lot of these drop shipping tactics, like the just pay shipping tactic, are really kind of played out and consumers are kind of savvy to it. And a lot of people argue with me and say that that's not the case. But, I was just browsing on Instagram and I see this ad by Fox Outfitters, sponsored Instagram ad, and it says, "Get a free hammock today, just pay shipping." And if we go look at the comments here, let's see, what do we got here? The shipping is $40. Just go on Amazon. 19.99 isn't free, and there's no way shipping is more than a few dollars. LOL, just pay shipping. Ordered two of these. Hammock is fine, but neither came with the tree straps needed to use it. Lame company with bad CQ. Terrible company. It doesn't cost $57 to ship two hammocks. Lame. Spread the love of hammocks by actually having a good deal. I don't see your logic. This isn't anything close to free. Scam. $80 to ship 6 pounds? Y'all are out of your freaking minds. With a name like Fox, it makes me wonder if it's fake. Don't bother, the shipping is so high you're barely getting a discount at all, plus they advertise free shipping on their site, so they're just pocketing the money. Nice try. $79 for two hammocks, crazy, they can keep it. Horrible way to advertise, nothing is free. Amazon shipping is free for these days. You can't tell me it's $15 or $20 to ship a hammock. Fire your advertising company. More false advertising. When will America make this illegal? Free, just pay shipping, guys. It's played out.